Well,
I'm looking for, this is the DC bar, right? I was hoping you could answer a few of my questions.
well, let's see. I think probably the best thing, I think you need a phone number. You may need an attorney.
No,
possibly.
I'm looking to basically become an attorney here in DC.
Okay. I still think, well, to become an attorney. All right, well,
Who's in charge of the DC bar?
well, I think actually the free legal advice clinic would cover that also. They would talk about legal law schools. What you need to do is go to law school.
Oh no, I do not need to go to law school. I've had my share of experience in this country, and I'm asking for my day in court, but I'm here to become a lawyer.
Okay. I understand. This, I got just the number for you. I can't transfer you directly, but
Committee on Admissions?
yes,
You're talking about the courtroom?
yes.
But who's in charge of?
Committee on Admission, that's about joining, waiving in, either taking a test or with your experience, you could just
Where's the
become
pro bono program? Where's the DC bar pro bono program?
Let me just jot that down for you too. And you can use our phone if you like.
And what do you do here?
Receptionist. Just take me a second here. And I'm sure they will answer all of your questions. One second here. Okay. Since you're here, I want you to talk to Mr. Ronald Baines. He does the pro bono hotline. He can answer any questions about pro bono. This, the Committee on Admissions you seem familiar with, they're the ones that have to do with joining the DC bar.
Where is the pro bono program exactly?
On this floor,
On this floor? And who's in charge of it?
Mr. Ronald Baines is the
Is he in his
person-
office right now?
I don't know. But he would be an excellent contact. You can use that phone right over there. Just dial the 4-digit extension. But he is the one that can answer immediately any questions for walking people.
Is there not a career center within the bar? I called that number right now. Is there not a career center within the bar? You have that information online, though.
This number is extremely... Actually, I don't know if the number is on here. I'll put it on for you. extremely helpful. And it would encompass what you're talking about. Give me 1 second here. It's very helpful. And they can even directly put you in communication with a real person. But don't lose this either.
No.
Because they're the ones that have directly to do with admission to the bar, whether through a test or just waving in or
Yes.
in any way. This is the person. And actually, even when I call these people, I usually get their voicemail. They're either on the phone or they're out of the office. But they're happy
So are
to
you
call
saying
back.
you're the only one in the office?
I'm saying that generally they don't pick up when you call them on the phone. You have to leave your number, and then they call you back.
But are you saying you're the only one in the office right now?
There are over 100 people here in this office today.
Well, I was hoping you'd direct me to the career center.
There is no career center.
What offices are here
What
within
I
the
can
DC
do
bar?
is give you this information of these 3 phone numbers.
What? Can you not answer my question?
What is your question?
Well, my question is very clear. Which offices are here within the DC bar?
We have a good number of offices here at the DC bar. We have sections, we have pro bono, we have IRID departments.
What? Where's
Tell
the
me
pro bono?
specifically your question.
Well, where is the pro bono office?
Okay. The way to get in touch with the pro bono people is through this gentleman.
Well, he's not answering the call. Are you saying you won't
They
direct me?
rarely do.
Are you saying you won't direct me to the office?
Sir, you need a visitor badge and an appointment to go anywhere in this building. I can't just point you and have you go to pro bono.
What do you mean? I'm very familiar with the courtrooms here in DC.
This is not a courtroom, sir. This is the DC bar.
I understand that. Where is the pro bono program?
Let me see if I can get someone to help. Just have a seat. We'll find somebody. Not to worry. John, baby.
Go ahead.
I have a young man with questions about the pro bono program, and Ronald Baines is not answering.
Transfer to Marcia. Or I'll call Marcia.
Thanks, baby. And I'll call Marcia.
Go on.
Somewhere already.
Okay.
He is on another line. But if you leave your name and number, he will call you back. He is the correct person to speak to.
Who is in charge here? Well, you've only given me. I know there is a blog for lawyers here. The Washington Lawyer, for example, and the DC Bar website you have listed. Who's in charge of that?
Okay, just have a seat. I'll find somebody else to help. And to make this clear, you're not an attorney, but you want to become an attorney in DC.
Well, yes.
But you're not currently an attorney.
Not yet.
Okay. Okay, just have a seat.
Fabian Harris is going to come out. I can see if someone else besides Mr. Baines can help. But I think Mr. Baines is really going to be the best person to help you.
Well, that may be the case, but my question is again very specific. On the DC Bar website, you have a Washington lawyer, and I'm talking about several issues here. And who is in charge of the blog is the question.
Excuse me. How can I help you, sir?
Well, who's in charge of the blog?
Of what?
Blog,
The blog?
yes, Washington lawyer.
Washington lawyer?
Yeah,
Why is that?
it's the DC Bar.
I'm sorry. Why is that?
I'm asking a question.
I'm asking you why you need to know who's in charge.
Can I not ask questions?
I understand that.
You're
That's a
asking,
communication issue.
instead of answering my question, you're asking me more questions. Can you not be straightforward? I'm asking you a straightforward question.
The Washington lawyer is run by the communications department.
And who's in charge of the communication department?
Sir, what you need to do is set up an appointment. Mr. Baines, who I gave you the phone number for, would be happy to speak to you, but he's on the phone right now.
Well, I understand that completely, but I'm not only here to see him, I'm also here to speak with other offices.
We can't immediately get someone down to speak to you.
What?
And they have to know in advance, as I told you.
I'm asking a
many times.
question, basically.
How can I help you, sir? Let's get to the point.
Well, today, I'm looking to become a lawyer.
Looking to become a lawyer?
Yes.
Okay, it doesn't work like that. And you're in the wrong place to try to become a lawyer. You first need to go to law school. You have to pass the bar exam. And you have to get admitted into the bar.
And what do you do here?
Excuse me?
What do you do here?
We oversee lawyers and attorneys.
I gave you the
You
number for
oversee
committee
lawyers
on
and
admissions.
attorneys.
Mhm.
Yes. Yes, you did. But again, the communication department, I'm talking about several issues. I'm talking about the courts here in the United States. I'm talking about, this element of post-constitutionality in almost every country I live in. And so, these are serious issues. And, is there no way to, refer me to the appropriate people so I can actually become a lawyer? I have extensive experience in the courtrooms.
Have you gone to law school?
Well, no, I have not gone to law school.
That's one of the requirements in order to become an attorney. You have to go to law school. And then once you go to law school, you have to pass the bar exam, and you get admitted into particular states with the bar there.
Well, I understand that completely, but you can also take the MPRE, for example, and then take the bar exam. But we live in post-constitutional America. This is an issue I've written extensively about. In almost every country I live in, there's some element of post-constitutionality. And are you saying that in this country I cannot have my Sixth Amendment right respected, the right to an attorney? I was not provided. I am getting cannot get my day in court, and I have documents to prove that. Are you saying that I cannot be admitted as a lawyer based on this knowledge alone?
Okay. You want to become an attorney, you're in the wrong place for that.
No, no.
Okay? No, I'm telling you, you're in the wrong place for that. You want to become an attorney, you have to go through the proper procedures. And part of that, you can't just come here and think that you're going to become an attorney like that. It doesn't
Well,
work
no, no,
like
no.
that.
I'm asking questions.
Okay. You have to pass the bar exam or waive them. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, that's what needs to be done. That cannot be done here. You have to go to the courthouse and do that and speak with them there. No one here is going to be able to help you to become an attorney. It doesn't work that way.
How about the filing a judicial complaint or not?
Excuse me?
About the judicial complaints.
You want to file a complaint against who?
No, no, I'm asking questions. Who's in charge of the
Okay,
judicial
let's
complaint
not
program?
play ring around the roses,
No, no,
okay?
I'm not.
Let's not play that. I'm not, no time for that, sir. Now, you've asked several different questions, and none of them is like everything I'm telling you, you don't want to listen to. So let's stop the nonsense, because I'm not playing this game with you. You understand me? I am not. Now, first of all, you said you want to become an attorney. Ronald Baines cannot help you become an attorney. You're in the wrong place for that. You want to get waived as an attorney, and you have to go to the courthouse and do that. That cannot be done here. Do we understand each other?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
You still have not answered my question about the judicial complaint program you have here.
That has to be done through the courts. Again, I said that to you.
Oh, you said that for me to be admitted into attorney, I have to go to court. But my question is somewhat different. Someone can file a judicial complaint within the DC bar, can he not?
If you need to file, if you want to file a complaint, that has to be done at the courthouse, not here.
Are you saying there's not a judicial complaint line, like for...
Did you just hear what I just said?
Yes.
Okay, so what did I just tell you? That cannot be done here, right? That's what I said to you. Listen to what I'm telling you. That cannot be done here. You understand me?
This is the address,
Okay.
and this has all the questions about joining the DC bar. It's the number I gave you before, but this is the address. Excuse me. Good afternoon, the DC bar.
Are we done here?
I guess we're done.
Okay, have a good day.